Hey guys, it's Izzy here, and today I'm going to be opening up my Pop in a Box subscription for the month of June. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy. Okay, I have this box kind of like halfway open, so let's open it. Okay. I can see the pops, but I have terrible eyesight, so I can't really see what they are. Oh my gosh, this is one I wanted. We have Prince Charles. We're like, why do you want Prince Charles? It's because I've got the whole Royals collection. So we have Prince Charles, obviously when he was younger. So now I have Princess Diana, the chase of her. I have Kate, Duchess of Cambridge, and then Prince Harry. So now all I need is the regular version of Diana, the Queen, and then Prince William. So here is Prince Charles. And then our second one is Batwoman, the DC Comics Bombshells. And so, oh, there's something was kind of sliding out. The back card was. And these boxes are mint condition. And so I really like the Bombshells, but I haven't really bought one. And this is my third DC comic character. So Batwoman, very cool. Now let's take these out of the box to show you guys. Here we have Charles out of the box. The paint job is really good from what I can tell so far. He has his hands behind his back. There's his suit up close. Yes, here we have Charles. Here's Batwoman. She's probably my favorite out of the Bombshell collection. So this is a hat with the bat ears. Close up, look, and then go around. Yeah, I'm really excited about these pops. So yeah, she has a baseball bat that says Batwoman. And then like kind of a jersey. I don't know if y'all can really see that, but I am very excited about these pops. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do these videos monthly of opening my Pop in a Box subscription. And remember, I have one of these Dart pop-up figures on my eBay for sale right now. It should still be up. And you can check it out on the link down below where I have my eBay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye guys!